Today we have a string fire. Yep, a Nerf gun. But I'm gonna get customized over the weekend. Which colors do you guys want? We can either go for the nice green and red, just the red and silver, gold and red maybe, black and red, any type of red, except for pink and purple. Do any. Cyan and red. Anything you can think of. Just put it down in the comments below. We can get this customized, then we can try it on the Nerf war. Hopefully you guys are excited for the Nerf war. I actually am. Hopefully you guys are also excited for this, the customization. I will be vlogging about the customization. You know, I'm just going to post anything that I think is dope about how I get to go do something or I got to go somewhere. But yeah, honestly, I think you guys are pretty excited for this. So am I. Hopefully you guys do put the comment down below which you guys want next. So, ready? Thank you guys. You guys better be ready for this Saturday. It's gonna happen, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. And make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button if you enjoy all of my content. And also, you can join Team Juno. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys see you in the next video. All right, bye.